Proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. What's proper fraction? Proper fraction, it's a fraction. Its numerator, the top number, is less than its denominator. If you look here, 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, 13/47, all these fractions are proper fraction. Why? Because the top number is less than the bottom number. What's improper fraction? Improper fraction, it's a fraction. Its numerator is greater than its denominator. If you look here, 3/2, 5/3, 12/5, 101/3, all these fractions, the top number is greater than the bottom number. So all these fractions are improper fraction. What's mixed number? Mixed number is a whole number and proper fraction. 2 and 1/2, 4 and 1/3, 3 and 3/8, 7 and 5/8. All these fractions, 1/2, 1/3, 3/8, 5/8, are proper fraction because the top number is less than the bottom number. But how can we write here an improper fraction as a mixed number? If you look here, 3/2, how can we write it as a mixed number? Just use division. 3 divided by 2 equals what? Equals 1. What is the remainder? The remainder will be 1 over the same denominator. We will say 3 divided by 2 equals 1, and the remainder will be 1 over the same denominator, which is 2. 5 divided by 3 equals what? Equals 1, and the remainder will be 1 or 2 over 3. 12 divided by 5 equals what? Equals 2, because 2 times 5 equals 10. We have here 2. The remainder will be what? Will be 2 over 5. 101 divided by 7, it's a large number. How can we write it as a mixed number? We can write it as a mixed number in two ways. The first way, we will write 101 as 98 plus 3 over 7 and use division. We will write it as 98 divided by 7 plus 3 over 7. 98 divided by 7 equals what? Equals 14. And plus 3 over 7, we can write it as 14 and 3 over 7. The another way is using the long division. We will write here 101 divided by 7. We will take the first two digits. 10 divided by 7 equals what? Equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. Write a line, subtract. The remainder will be 3. Bring down 1 to be 31. 31 divided by 7 equals 4. 4 times 7 equals 28. 31 minus 28, it will be 3. So 3 is a remainder, it will be 14, and the 3 over the same denominator, which is 7. If we have a mixed number like 2 and 1/2, how can we write this mixed number as improper fraction? Just keep the same denominator, which is 2. And how can we find the top number? Multiply 2 by 2, then we can add 1. Now 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. We write it as 5 over 2. If you look at 5 over 2, 5 divided by 2 equals what? Equals 2. And the remainder will be 1 over the same denominator, which is 2. 3 and 3 over 8 keep the same denominator, which is 8. And multiply 3 by 8 equals 24. And add 3, it will be 27. It will be 27 over 8. By the same way, we have here 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. And 7 and 1/2 keep the same denominator, which is 2. 7 times 2 equals 14. 14 plus 1 equals 15. It will be 15 over 2. We have here some notes to compare between proper fraction and improper fraction. With directly, we can say that any proper fraction is less than any improper fraction. We have here 5 over 3 is what is improper fraction. We studied before, because the top number is greater than the bottom number. And we have here 4 over 7. 4 over 7 is proper fraction. Why? Because the top number is less than the bottom number. Now 5 over 3 is improper, and I said before proper fraction is less than improper fraction, so we will write greater than. Any mixed number is greater than any proper fraction. We have here a mixed number 2 and 3 over 5, and we have here proper fraction. Now this is mixed and this is proper fraction, so we have here 2 over 3 is larger than 17 over 33. Now we will write less than. If you compare between 1 and the proper fraction, we will say that 1 is greater than any proper fraction and 1 is less than any improper fraction, because we can write any improper fraction as a mixed number, and any mixed number is greater than 1. So 1 is less than any improper fraction. We have here 1 and we have here improper fraction. So we will say that 1 here is less than any improper fraction, and 1 here is greater than any proper fraction. So 4 over 7 is less than 1. Thank you for watching. See you soon, guys.